Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's episode. I'm Charlotte, a PhD student at the Centre for Virus Research, and I'm joined by Dan, who's just completed her PhD in virology at the CVR. Dan, congratulations, and I hear you've got some big news to share.
Thanks. Yes, I'm really excited. Our recent work, PLM-interact, is turning protein language models to predict protein interactions, supported by a Marie Curie fellowship, has just been published in Nature Communications.
That's fantastic. So, can you tell me a little bit more about it?
Proteins are the molecular components of life. They make our cells work, usually by interacting with each other. These protein-protein interactions are essential for everything from normal cell function to how viruses hijack their host cells. But figuring out which proteins interact with each other is tricky. Experiments are time-consuming and expensive.
Absolutely. So, that's where computational tools come in, right?
Exactly. Recently, large language models, the same kind of AI using tools like ChatGPT, have been trained on millions of protein sequences. You may have heard of AlphaFold or even ESM, which are protein language models designed to understand how protein fold up. Instead of learning human language, they learn the language of proteins. They've already transformed how we predict protein structures.
Yes, definitely. So, what did you and your team build?
In my research, we developed the PM-interact, a model that extends single protein language models to understand protein-protein interactions. It learns the hidden grammar that determine where the two proteins bind with each other.
That's cool. So, how did it perform?
The results were very positive. PM-interact outperforms state-of-the-art models across multiple species, even those it hadn't seen during training, and showed strong potential for predicting virus host interactions. We also fine-tuned PM Interact to predict how mutations might affect these protein interactions, which could one day help us anticipate viral evolution or guide therapeutic design.
That's amazing. So, what's the bigger takeaway for you here?
For me, this project highlights how AI and molecular biology are coming together to decode life's most fundamental interactions. It shows that large language models aren't just changing how we communicate, they are helping us better understand the molecular language that underlies all biology.
They really are. It's been fantastic to see the developments in the field, and that is a brilliant note to end on. So, thank you very much, Dan, for sharing your research, and congratulations again.
Thanks for listening.
Thank you.
Thank you.